Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful braidless crochet. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep watching. To start off, first things first, this is my hair that I'll be starting with. It's freshly washed, and as you can see, my edges are kind of ripping off. I don't know what happened, but I don't have edges. So here I just took you guys through the things that we'll be needing for this style. I went ahead to write them down for you in case you may want the name for them. And for the hair that I'll be using today, it's the Freedom Kinky crochet hair. This hair is super soft. The first time that I bought it, and I was so in love with it. So to begin, I'm just sectioning off the front part where that will be my leave out, and then I'm going to go ahead and braid that off the way so it doesn't distract me while doing the rest of the hair. Once I was done with that part, this is how it's looking like. So I'm then going to go ahead and do some like 2-strand braids. Because this is a braidless crochet, we're not going to do cornrow whatsoever. You can just pretty much put a cap on this hair right now and start crocheting the hair in it. But because I didn't want mine to be bulky at the middle, I went ahead to just do this chunky 2-strand braids, and then I went ahead to cover it up with a stocking cap. And with this stocking cap, the preferred one is to use the mesh one, but I don't have that one around. That is why I use this one. But if you have the mesh, like, go ahead and use that one instead of this. So here I'm beginning crocheting the hair onto the net. How to do crochet braids, I have a lot of video or tutorials on them, so I don't have to talk too much. It's pretty much simple. Just watch how I'm doing it and you understand the whole process. Okay, it's not difficult at all. So I keep repeating the same step all around until I was done, and then at the front I did a knotless method. I'll show you in a bit once I get there. At the front here, in order to hide my stocking cap, I did the invisible method at the front in order to not make that thing show. So with this one, we are not pulling the whole hair, we're just pulling one strand to make a knot, and then we just pull it away, and that is how to make the knotless method. So here I'm done, and this is how the hair looks like. As you can see, it's really soft and nice and fluffy and full. The hair looked so good and soft the first day I installed it, and I loved it, guys. So here I'm just going ahead to unravel the fronts that I did to cover up everything, and also move ahead to style the hair. If you guys know any products that I can use to go out my edges or any method, please let me know. I'll be very happy. Just let me know, because I'm sure because of the gel that I use on my edges made it look this way. Naturally I have thin edges, so I'm not surprised. Yeah, kind of not like they are ripped off anyways, but they are kind of short than previously. So here I'm adding some hair gel onto the hair, and also at the front I'm just making an illusion hair with my hair gel in color black. I'm using the L'Oreal Air Cream in black to make an illusion at the front, so that that side wouldn't be so much visible. And then once I was done, I just went on to style it to my desired length, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you loved it. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, share it on Facebook, share it to your friends on Instagram, share it everywhere, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Until next week, stay fab, stay safe, be awesome. Bye guys.